Welcome back to Bags on the Go. I got some new news for you. You need to know this. Y'all about to see another car. Another car from my channel. First time on my channel. And I want to thank my granddad. My granddad did it for me. I seen this car in this driveway. I was a kid. And now it's mine. Now I own it. And I remember everything he said he wanted to do to this car and why. That was the plan. And he was going to have the chance to build it exactly how he wanted to. I'm going to be able to do it for him. Y'all ready to see it? I know I look tired. I am tired. You wouldn't believe what I've been through getting this car out of his garage. But there's a will. When there's a will, there's a way. Alright, y'all. Let's check it out. So it's the next day, early morning. I'm about to go check on the Malibu, talk to it a little bit. You know, it's been locked in that dark garage for so many years. This was its first night outside, so let's see how it likes it. And let's just do a quick little morning walk around. I can't believe I got this car. I would have loved to see my granddad put this car together exactly how he wanted to and being able to help him do it. But now it's my turn. Just take it over and make him proud. So this car has been parked since the early 2000s, could have been the late 90s. I don't know exactly what year he put it in the garage, but it always was in the backyard since the late 90s, as I can remember. I can remember just walking past this car and it was in the driveway and it looked just like this. Always same color. It probably was tan, but I didn't notice it until my granddad did some body work on it. I sprayed this filler color all over it. That's what it is, the filler color. So yeah, so I would have loved to have been able to see my granddad put this car together exactly how he wanted to, and it didn't happen. So now I got the chance to make him proud. So I'm gonna do just that. This one I'm gonna take my time with. Also doing that motor swap in this one, so my 6.0, it can go in here. I don't know exactly what's the plan, but we're bringing it all the way back from the dead. So 1978 Malibu sports coupe. About to put the bags on the Go Touch on it. So if it's been 25 years it's been in the garage, it was his first night outside, and I think he liked it. Got some dew on the windows. I'm gonna let it get rained on. I'm also I'm gonna crank the windows down and let it air out more. Man, I gotta get out here with the blower and try to blow all the mice poop, and you know what I'm saying, open up the trunk, air all that stuff out, because man, I'm not too big on all them smells. That stuff, it's gonna take me a minute. I'll have to put my mask on. But yeah, we did a thing yesterday. I was gonna work on my 79 Caprice, and I decided with a friend, well, let's go over here and get this car out of my granddad's garage, because trees in that backyard are so old, they decaying, and a big top of the branch, the whole top of the tree fell, and it fell right in front of the garage. It could have fell right on top of the garage, crashed the whole car would have been done, but it didn't. So we went over there, moved everything out the way, pulled it out. It was not easy, but hey, we gotta do what we gotta do. We got it out of there, we saved the car. So time to get to work. Time to get to work. Who would have known I would have had a Malibu sitting on my trailer in the backyard. My granddad's car. Alright, so if you like the Malibu, if you got stories about the Malibu, leave them down in the comment section. This bag's on the go, and I'm on the go, and I'll see y'all next time. Peace.